anything. Not for votes, not for anything. And I say so because some of these criminal activities will soon begin taking a political dimension. As I said earlier on, during the process of my approval, bandits, terrorists, and other criminals of whatever type have no tribe, they have no political affiliation. Therefore, this administration will spare no effort to make sure that we retain normalcy. We must open up the Kenya of the North to development. And the entry point of that opening up of northern Kenya is by releasing it from criminals and making it a safe place for investors and government officials engaged in development activities as well as development partners. Therefore, I want to assure the country we remain seized of this matter, and I want to assure our officers who are in charge of the various formations related to internal security. The government will support you, facilitate you, and make sure that as you perform this gallant, sometimes risky service to the nation, you will not be victimized. A few cases that might arise of unlawful use of weapons will be handled in the normal way. I therefore urge all officers to use the responses that we are commencing within the law. Comply with the standing orders of the police, comply with the law relating to criminal conduct, that is the Penal Code, Cap 63 of the laws of Kenya, the Criminal Procedure Code, Cap 75 of the laws of Kenya, the Evidence Act, Cap 80 of the laws of Kenya, of course the standing orders of the police, but also comply with the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, and the applicable international treaties relating to this kind of activity, which is the use of lawful violence to protect the population. I thank you, and God bless Kenya. Thank you very much for coming. We shall be speaking to you more often, more regularly, and in a more structured way. I am afraid I am unable to take the questions, but we will engage shortly.
Has the command of Nairobi changed?
Yes. And thank you very much. Have a good afternoon.
The other question is with regards to what you're saying and remunerating police officers and relooking. Is this in relation to a perceived go-slow that is on at the moment?
There is no go-slow, and police don't go on go-slow. As I have said, our officers continue to work under difficult circumstances. We respect that law, we'll protect that law, we'll defend that law. The increasing incidents of crime will be dealt with as such, without introducing extraneous issues. I thank you and wish you well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ocean Minister ogiteri wa thiini Kithure Kindiki akiaria uhoro wigi uhaguku wa ogiteri muno makiria kaunti-ini ya Nairobi na nginya icigo ingi itiganite thiini wa bururi wa Kenya, akiuga thirikari hamwe na ruhonge rwa borithi ni rukinyukia makinya ma gutigirira ogiteri ni ugucokereria. Riri minister riri uhoro ucio no ikaria Kiambu ni marateta na riu atongoria thiini wa kaunti ya Kiambu ni marakaira munene wa borithi Japheth Koome ajiririe orio kuhurana uhaguku wa ogiteri uria wehiriire matũra-ini maingi thiini wa kaunti ya Kiambu. Matongoretio ni mubunge wa Thika Town Alice Ng'ang'a marenda ruhonge rwa ukui wa nduthi ruthuthurio na kinyi nigetha mikora iria iranyamaria muingi ikihithanie na akui ruhonge-ini ruru imenyekane na yoerwo makinya ma kiwatho.
Turona insecurity tutingiwa ikundu kumwe ikundu guothe bururi mugima
to Rift Valley rita riri tarigo ko gwitu ni turona andu marahuthira nduthi ara marathi makiyagira andu kana ciana cikiuma thukuru cikuite bagi ciao na tukona ona kundu ta kuria Ridgeways haha Nairobi turonire kamwana kanini karoragirwo akiuma mucii kwa wagithie kwa muratawe na andu aya marakorwo na nduthi na maroka makabaniria mundu munene wa borithi ni araigire ni akorwo horo ucio na kinyi ati niguo wira wake wa mbere gukorwo akiruta ugitiri na aramahe na aramekira warning ati matiguthie kuraihu atanyitanite nao na thirikari ni tu ingienda kurugamia undu ona matini na murimu matarugamiti
mikora nitekoretwo igiciria ati kwina vacuum na ati ni to andu marekereirio ni thirikari no uguo tiguo kuri na ugakora matura maingi kinya guku gatundu no thi no raigwa marigu indo ta marigu indo cia migunda mahiu indo ta ngoko na indo iria ingi ona kuria mataoni ni ukaigwa andu ni maroragwo muno andu magathecangwo na tuhiu kwi andu ingi muno me thibitari na family nyingi kagireka ni tondu wa maundu mau uguo ni tukuga Inspector General arugame na borithi makinyiririe kuruta wira uria wi wao ithuĩ twitatongoria ona muingi wa Kenya tumanyite baru nigetha mahote kuruta wira wega mahinyitie na tweherie itoi ciothe na andu aria othe marehaga uhoro wa kuhaguka kwa gitiri thiini wa bururi.
No nyende kwira thigari cituike friendly kuri andu nigetha nginya mundu gikorwo na undu arenda kumakinyiria akahota kumakinyiria na no ni unge mukono uguo mweshimiwa wa Thika auga ati no twende gukorwo na kundu kwina private boxes nigetha mundu wothe wina undu angienda gukorwo agikinyiria thirikari akahota gukinyia njira iyo atakumenyeka we niwe.
Kugena kwa andu matanyihire milioni 5 nio magumirwo ni ng'aragu bururi-ini na thirikari igithiaga na mbere na kunyagio uteithio wa irio aria mari no hoti ni marathingatwo gutamburukirio tana arunao aria matare na gia kuria naguo muingi uri uri kaunti-ini iri ihutitio ni ng'aragu imwe yacio ri kaunti ya Kajiado muingi ni hunyeririo kuhanda miti niguo kuhurana na thina wa ucenjia wa riera aikari a itura ria Ilmarpa ni magunikite na uteithio wa irio kuma kuri gikundi kimwe kia wendi mwega.
Njaa ni mingi ndani ya Umasaini kwa sababu Masai wao wanategemea ng'ombe na kiangazi imewamaliza ng'ombe, lakini
wanyama wameisha nyumbani, wale wadogo wako ni kulisha pia kama watoto wanatafuta chakula. Ile kitu sasa tunangoja ni ile ambayo rais wetu amesema ile ng'ombe iko nyumbani na ikaje ikanunuliwa, ndio tuone at least watu wamesaidika kwa sababu watu wamefinyika sana.
Tulikuwa na target ya 150 lakini wamekuja wengi, so karibu 200 wamefaidika kwa vifurushi ambavyo tulikuwa navyo. Ile package tulikuwa tunapatiana 4 kg of maize, 1 kg rice na mafuta ya kupika half a liter na chumvi.
Atongoria a dini kuma kaunti cia Meru hamwe na nginya Tharaka Nithi ni matafanetie giikaro na itanya ria kwariria githurano kihituku kia mweri wa kanana mwaka uyu. Giikaro-ini giki kiria gitongoretio ni ngwataniro ya makanitha NCCK kanjo ya githiramu SUPKEM hamwe na honge ingi. Omwe wa maundu maria meyumiritie ni ati atongoria a dini ni manyitire itemi ria bata hari kuiga thayo.
With reference to 2007, 2008, during that time we saw church like we had a divided church. The clergy were split into groups. This time around, so one of the achievements was that the church spoke in one voice, and that played a big role in uniting our leaders, political leaders.
We need to do a bit of civic education in a more deeper way. Some people never thought they needed to be neutral. They were taking sides. I am support of this. I'm supported as the church. We all of them belong to us.
Macio nimo matemo maretori namo ma idhariri. Tushemani regiona shihada thae moto kumanyithie mare mangi tu ukorona mo itago muriki wa Mushoki.